Presenting a pre-owned 2025 BMW. This two-door coupe has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 23,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 28 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force, limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.